It's 60 seconds till the news comes out. So I'm doing an experiment here with a lot of pending orders. And it looks like the, here's my spread here I'm running. This is my spread. 2.4 pips. Now that should get pretty wide here in about 25 seconds. Get really tight and then really wide, but natural gas, I think news is coming out. But I'm just looking to scalp the psycho spike here, come up into this stuff. That's my goal for the day. Scalping. So here we go. Okay, news is out. I guess I'll be able to tell if the spread gets wide. Not so much. Oh well, pretty boring. Now just pause and come back. Okay, 20 minutes have gone by and I just sold up into the spike here and cashed out of my this British pound came down into this round handle. Just a beautiful tag off that, so I scalped these are 10 pip handles in here. So that's the 4-hour chart there. But I think I had a killer order on that earlier. But that's just a classic bounce off. That's the 1 hour. So I just waiting for this to pull back. I'm gonna scalp out of this, and then hopefully this is gonna come up in here. Tag that, and I don't know. It's big beginning of the year move here. So. But it's been 20 minutes and I'm just going to wait. Here's the gold market. It's the daily gold. This is a 4-hour Dow Jones. And got news coming out. Crude oil inventories in 9 minutes. So here's a tick chart on the Dow Jones there. This is the end of the year. Pretty cliche ending to the year where you just go right to the top, you know. But that's the breakout, big breakout. If you bought up there, I guess you're a daredevil, I guess say. Go back to my got other running a bunch of these orders in here at the same time. Okay. Let's see. I'll wait for this thing to top of the hour, come back at top of the hour, see what it looks like. We're like 15 seconds before more drama here, so looks like I'm going to cash out of this, selling into the top of this spike here. And here comes the British pound. Total reversal here, so bam, news is out. I don't know what news. What was it? Crude oil. Crude oil really shocks the market. Let's take a look at this. Okay. Crude oil. Crude oil inventories. Okay. I'm just a scalper. I don't care about the rest of this drama. It's ridiculous. So. Anyways, I guess I could have stayed in this one a little bit longer, but on the other account, running several of these order banks, so kind of long this guy actually, dollar Canadian off this bounce, off this round handle peg. They peg it to that round handle, and here the round handle survived on euro there. Nice entry. Real dumb stuff here, you know, banging off the round handle here on the Australian. New Zealand, it went above the round handle, so I actually sold heavy because this spike above the round is, you know, premium scalper's entry. So I want to be out of this thing by next half hour, be out of the whole trade, you know, just no sense in sticking around and getting beat up by all the lethargic trend traders. Just kidding. No, this is actually running candles on this one. Like, look at this bounce on the candle off the round handle on the euro. It's 1 hour chart. So this is why this is better than Fibonacci any day of the week. Because where are you going to buy? How about the round handle? On a Friday? Nah, I don't know. Check that out. It's my round handle theory. Euro to yen. Where do you get in? Round handle. Dollar Canadian. Where to buy? Close. Very close. Sell, round handle. So now I'm looking for this whole thing to invert. Just for the scalp. Get out here. Have this thing come back to these. These are 10 pip handles. So I'm painting 10 pip handles around the 100 pip. So this is why I just think it's better than Fibonacci any day. Fibonacci is just too much work. You know, you're just going to get yourself get up with brain cancer. You know, and be thinking so hard on that stuff. Okay, so you got London's closing or something. 11:30. Something's going to happen. Just hit the pause button. See what the hell's going on here later. Come back to this drama. Okay, more news coming out. Total vehicle sales in 4 minutes. So this is Dow Jones here. It's a great selling opportunity right here. I got a top bottom in close. Coming up into that fractal. That's the high of the year. This is gold, 2 days straight up. Let's go to the. So you got 3 minutes left. Looking for this to plunge into here. Scalp out of that. Looking for a possible plunge on this to this round handle here. Maybe if we get lucky, this comes down into that. And yeah, it's pretty much you know, random chaos. The market's chaotic. It's like if you're going to play the lottery, you're going to pick your numbers, you're going to let the robot pick it. We'll go for random numbers on, I don't know. Did the guy win with random numbers or did he pick his birthday? This is such a special day for him. Okay. I guess I got about 50 seconds here before the news comes out. See what kind of drama happens here, but for me it's going to be New Zealand crashing about 20 pips down. Cash out of that, and maybe the British pound's going to sweep down into this and get some crazy action going. I kind of want the Bernanke's supposed to come out at 2 in about 3 hours and speak, and so the news we're waiting for here is total vehicle sales, 19 seconds. See, I see the Dow's ready to rip south on this news right here on the pivot. Dow's just itching to dump. Gold's at the high. Okay, news is out. Doesn't look too like it's supposed to be not a big news event, but it's top of the hour. I mean, it's like a quarter after, not top of the hour. But it's a chance for the market to move, I guess, on some kind of news. Okay, so more boredom, and come back in 15 minutes. Deal here. Bottom of the hour is a big deal here. So about 2 minutes here at the bottom of the hour. Here's my New Zealand trade. I'm sold up above that round handle, and it's paused there. Looking for just a whip back, cash out of that. Be done with that trade. See about a couple minutes. Here's a British pound. Here I was doing projections on this because I'm sure a lot of the trend people were looking at this situation here of a continuation of the channel, kind of on the edge of the channel there. So that's a big sell for me. And then this hopefully fails right here. So I got about 30 seconds. I'm just looking for this to come back to square one. It's been on quite a tear up in that. But the round handle is resistance. And we could retest this or blow it out. Euro looks ready to. Okay, here we go. 5 seconds of news. That's all do or die. News is the news is nothing. It's just the end of Europe. But bottom of the hour is a big deal. Always. Yeah. Okay, so here it is. Here's New Zealand. Looking for this to crush back. It's just such a steep climb. It's just kind of one of those gimme trades. Just easy 20 pips. Easy 30 pips there. Okay. Cashing out of some of this stuff. So Australian dollar, cashing out of that. I play these guys together because they're sympathetic to each other. So I'm selling that Australian, I'm selling that New Zealand. Up in the top. Okay, here's that premium entry here on the 4 hour. Amazingly, it lined up on this broker. Usually you don't get that kind of luck. This might be a broker from so here's my entry short right there on that bottom becomes a top, and looking for it to tank, come into this and come into these supports, bounce, do the whole bang bang bong through that all that drama, and looking for this New Zealand to pull back a little bit more. Cashed out a partial. Just took the 20 pips and ran off the top of that, and then looking for the complete pullback. Cash out the rest. Here's the candlesticks on New Zealand. It's 1 hour chart. So just looking for that. Come back into these. This is my exit right here. Just spike down into that. That'd be ideal. Okay. It takes forever for this stuff to happen. It's 10 after 12, and this is pulling back here, and then this one is the British pound, like I thought, would probably go for retest. So I'm glad I got out there, because maybe we're going to go for retest or go below. Looks like the Euro's about to plunge, and this sell here is still a good sell. I guess you'd be taking profits at this bent part. And you got 34 minutes before some Fed statement. Rock the markets possibly. This is the candles. This looks like a possible plunge here on the euro, the pound. Come down to this order bank here. Pick it up on the bounce, the rebound. Good slice down in that. Looking for the dollar Canadian to break out and go up. That's all my. It's just a boring Friday. Nothing really going on. What are you gonna do? Take a nap.